Sakena no Prince Uja Midindi Enoch. Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace, a good catch back up. The only nomenclature the professors degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messin Kunya Elcon Quantum Cordens Modern and Sakana no Prince View, our Ghana Goodim Ejao. China Swam said one expert have always told you that betting there is better than Saka when Tunya one S better trying before Odin before trying to Kumabia, within Kuma San Manum, catch the Busan for now for year mouth fast for none. Ukrumano Pranford as one S bet, and my boys never find that freedom and Timodia that sounds so do Jim. Now, boy, Emanyama Etian Quadia Manemum, bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika Ireno Yano, and no Anna Yedika bet. Open bet there, a one S bet, and one dance here, and a midi ebay. Jeffas Mr. Edwitashi, infections and rule, gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white fit and asudi ponachua, was that to make a Jeffas and no suit me boa, proper Haravano bomb ultimately in Chiniche. Koheba shops if mastika shops in Emo, also pay Jeffas Mr. Dunia Dubaqua, a bit me Ajonkwa. Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel, a kaya didia, few upon Pasuba Pumona, Sedubaqua, between 2 years pain. Now, boy, a man might tend to 2 years more Pumodono, as Sedimo gel and roll-on, Ukashama may market a buho, and I fit a maso, and yana okra, Ubetia from 020 821 9129. Now only Sedimo gel and roll from paying for yen chicken kumo, yen shemwa amanyama in 22 years and famo pomodon sebwemo, and sponsors no emo to 20 chuchu train and open so much bois, Emma Yadia Kensi was empire and Saka et me ejao. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step. Pension the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana camp there. Now I'm up for Becca. Last Friday. Omo etia kwachi omo Guinean counterparts no e o Guinea hinkro corner kremu etwa maka pole miensa Guinea for my way entimi ante akoba se ne eso mutimi de return leg encounter ni etia pem so we air 2024 Air France Paris against kesi betia Santuja no Olympic Games no ana omo ebo yima kesi e dia kopim e o search media and also ebitin asato film me no ka say de my way na twom tenten e de omo hwene esi kwan so de da omo hwanim sinyame adoma nei enkurumdi ebitin akodi amom. Coach Nora Hoptel Ebonifita when a kita side team in Comodia ahead of today's game no any. APM Eddie FE Sahima Posha Wachiwano no Namia Doma nei ewa Cross Sports Stadium and Black Queens of Ghana woman Guinea for Myra woman their case in Ebetia 10 times so immediately na fi husun sanso no yedi Abijao yen co-chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports Youth and Culture Honorable Kwaku Ajenim Boatin Eden kumo ha creative saba na ni na say odija football for say omo take steps a bit in samboa ema football no asanfa in time perfra.
Getting our DNA defined is a very important step. We just got the document. We would want to understand what's in the document. They call it a technical document. It's been 2 years running and they've done their own research. I believe it will be connected to schools. You can't do this. Look at the age brackets they defined, under 11, under 15, and so obviously it's the school-going age, so it's going to be connected. I'm confident about that. Well, you can't run any sport, right, without involving that age bracket. And if you look at F-Cube, I mean, it's all compulsory education. You have to get them in that bracket. Even if it's not connected, I can't believe it's not connected in the document, but you connect with infrastructure, with training. You have to get the schools on board. And don't forget that now we have a lot of private schools. So it's quite a task. It's unlike in the past where you could easily walk into any public secondary school and say, a lot of talented kids are also in private schools. So it's more of a holistic approach. And from the policy position, education ministry, sports ministry, you have to work together to get this. And we as a youth sports and culture committee can get a liaison together.
Nti na se ne APM no na se Honorable Kwaku Ajenim Boatin and atene council den komo etia ba ede afa DNA of Air Ghana football and Kratamping for Central and Saint Be epa hontama no eno no den komo etia ja Ibrahim Sunday only the only player we see akan ma Kumasi Arsenal ko see akan ede ama the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana na afia ka players a omo ede omani echira buchi nkan ko team esi akan ma Ghana so di makotene pa no so say nani IGP sempemfo ede sankrate DNA of Ghana football no aba.
Yes, it's been too late. Yes, that one is true. It's been too late because I think we have not been planning very well. The whole problem is lack of good planning. That's why. So that's why we are now lacking behind. And I believe if we plan well, we'll go back to our olden days where we win our matches and winning cups and so on and so forth. It's something that we'll have to go through and then try to practice it and see the result. If really we do it well, I think we'll get a good result.
Ibrahim Sunday and Altene Castle didn't come on 8th Senja at the Alpha Ghana football DNA. The Omde Honkrata Cemetery and Sabija Ghana Fono. Now, a cream was a co him, there's a former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, George Akwesi Free, and so then Kumaba. Now, small can say, Ket Edwin Simon Kraku, no, your current FA president, no, we feel is obey the fundamentals, no, now Boma Ghana good in 2.8, woman the book a church and go for South Canada, and then she shape baby, but no more fundamentals are, on one casa, a cantam, a share boss, obey me this, no, and Yadia, Odiso.
Because you're the Kopima pioneer the film, you're the Kopima pioneer the film. What are the issues? The issues are that when collabs are made based on friends, based on clubs that are affiliated to the FA president, this is what you get. I was said there should be an objective selection of players into our national team. These are the things we are talking about. And in the coming days, we will come out and we will speak, and the whole public will know. For what we witness here, a concept.
George Kwesi Free, former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, and also Edwin Komo Eja Kamasano. Now, Ekom our club issues ma across folk for catching one more a defender fences somewhat income, and so Eja Komo. Now, on Mrs. Savonio, maybe Samano, and a trade sound Kumu, now all say it's meant to tune me ye beating bois and my league and so Yama Akuye and my Ghana for so.
Amount for Casa at Tiabofum, but Yanka CBC, your question say, I dare at Tiabofum because no sponsorship will come and put money or idea at Tiakofum. Into me no why ye pay a grown DNA. Amount for Casa FA, yes, FA. Because he is the president
because
of...
Because on
yes,
or association.
Yes.
Yes,
but uni bibi dear mama na kama samene wo yenim se bia ball way asay samene hu se ball na asay yembo FA president be kan che say yembo because ball na ide asay nti ye nyina ye wo big role to play.
Okay.
FA no wo homa ye yeah ye do football what I say and Ghana we are one of country we have passion for the game. We have qualified for World Cup 4 times. And they see a legacy. And then yes, I see a dog or mine and Casacra. You for football to China or mine and Casa. Yenina yen come bomba. Bibin Echiwa FA president, I think he's open. In my opinion, I've met him a couple of times. He's open. You can go there or can talk to somebody who's close to him. Oh, president. Oh, president, every time we keep blaming each other. And why? Intika crime is my kind of say, yeah, per se, yeah, legal before Nantisa. Intada is here, Tissa. Samena me was so dear media ye, when I was so dear Nidian ye, I best say, Obi Bia or do born, a yedia, a property. It's yen I come boom back. Nay, say, yadia.
It is someone in Kum and Altene can say on a file di Edisa and Kumono. We soon major Namidian and so and Kuma de Bayano or can see etmc. One expert, my catcher that say it is always better than Sakawa, but more than that, so do who to Jim, we before, we didn't before, trying to come up, didn't come outside manum. Jim fast Mr. Drita, she infections, don't set me Kebia, a bit of what my puma don't same edge. Now, Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel. Ya dear, it was your crowd beating from 0208219129. Now, on a steady more gel and roll phone penny for introducing Kumo, na Pedro Bito, Nemwa, and Mapumodon Sem, so in a year or a dim. We more Anna attached the woman and a pencil, there can see some pine saka, it's me jaw. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year cash back pay, and I'm Jinemu, and of course, evidence based presentation to be jaw. Rather, Anthony Mao on your Casio, if you be in the Sunni. Now, all found come so the act of being a good guest is to not